Hello there. Now we are going to see regarding virtual machine migration. For that, what is the software we are in need of is Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. So we have to select Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. So what is the requirement over here is virtual machine created already with specified file. Why? Because we can show the virtual machine migration within the same system itself. So how is it possible means if we cannot able to have more than one machines at the same time, that is we want to execute the virtual machine migration within our system, then the steps we have to do is we have to create a virtual machine image which we have created already for the existing virtual machine, and we have to export that image to our system. That is we have to save the virtual machine image in our system, and after that we have to delete that particular virtual machine instance in our virtual box manager. Then we have to uh, input the same virtual machine image which we have stored already. So by importing the virtual machine image, whatever the files we have loaded in the already created virtual machine should be there in our imported file. Likewise, we can able to verify that the virtual machine migration is done successfully or not. So for that, the requirement over here is we should have the virtual machine creation with the specified file. So in the previous example, we have seen regarding the virtual machine creation using Ubuntu 15.1, and a file named temp1.c is created already in the virtual machine, and we have seen the execution of that temp1.c file in our virtual machine. So let us consider the same file over here for our verification. For this particular virtual machine, we have to create the virtual machine image. So for creating the virtual machine image, what we have to do is we have to select file and we have to select export appliance. Before selecting these options, we have to verify that the virtual machine which we have created already is selected over here or not. So you can check this virtual machine having the same file or not by starting that virtual machine again. Let us verify whether we are having the same virtual machine and we are having the file, that is temp1.c is already available over there or not for our general verification. So this virtual machine migration is very helpful if we want to run any softwares and we run the particular programs in that particular softwares. So you have the super user which already created the same password we have to give and press the enter key. Already we have created temp1.c, so we have to check whether the same temp1.c is available in this system. So you can check the virtual machines version, that is Ubuntu 15.1 already over here. Now the system is ready with the actual running process. You can select the terminal by clicking this icon and type terminal over here. Press the enter key. Now you can get into the terminal for our virtual machine. We have to check temp1.c is already available in this machine or not. For checking the files and folders, the command we are having over here is ls. So I am typing ls over here and press the enter key. You can see temp1.c already available over here, which implies the system, the virtual machine we are created now is Ubuntu 15.1 with the already created file temp1.c. Let us quit this virtual machine right now and let us go to the actual steps. Always we have to shut down the virtual machines proper. Now we have shut down proper. Now what we have to do is we have to save this virtual machine in the form of image. Further, we have to select the option file, select export appliance. Now you select it next. Now we have to select the folder where we want to save our virtual machine image. Let us select D, Grid and Cloud Computing, Final GCC Lab Copy. So here let us have the virtual machine image as VM1. Click Save button, click Next, click Export. Now it will exporting the particular file. It will take some times. So this exporting and importing of the virtual machine is based on your system's configuration. Now we can check the saved file is available or not. You can see the virtual machine image file over here. Now we have to continue our option. So to get a clear idea, let us delete this virtual machine image by right clicking this virtual machine virtual machine instance, and we have to select remove, and we have to select delete all files. Now the virtual machine will be getting deleted from our VirtualBox manager. We have to select now the virtual machine image what we have stored already. So we have to go for file and import appliance. We have to select file and import appliance. So in the folder icon we have to click. We have to select the file, image file what we have saved already, that is VM1. You can see the file format OVA over here, and click the open button, click the next button, click import option. So after that it will take some time for loading. Already I have mentioned, according to the system configuration it will take, the time will varies. So the process showing the progress of the loading of virtual machine image here. So the actual step is given over here. We have to import the appliance with the actual image what we have created, and we have to start our virtual machine, go to the terminal mode. We have to see the temp1.c file is available or not. You can see now the file is totally imported and see in the VirtualBox manager. Select this virtual machine loaded and select the start button. It will take some time for loading option. You can see the same virtual machine loaded over here. You can see the same super user account given over here. Type the password and press enter key. Same Ubuntu 15.1 version here. Now it is getting loaded completely. So we have to go to the terminal mode. To get into the terminal mode, click the icon here, type terminal and press enter key. Now the terminal mode is getting open. We have to check the temp1.c file is available over here or not. For that we have to type ls command. You can see temp1.c is available over here. Whatever the files available in that virtual machine we have created already and make an image, the same files will be displayed over here also. From this we can conclude that the virtual migration is done proper. The same steps we have to follow if we are doing in the separate system also. The only thing is we have to select the virtual machine image proper, then we can able to get into the execution of the virtual machine in a proper manner. After that checking we have to exit proper and we have to shut down the system proper. So the actual steps what we have seen is given over here. So you also can execute the same for the virtual machine migration. Thank you for listening.